The Horseshoe Farm and the Stable Spa are spaces that have been saved. They were rescued from development, they were rescued from becoming something commercialized. Something that we have noticed for a long time with the guests that come in is that people want to experience the farm. They love coming to dinner, they love getting a treatment, but there's always this curiosity that people just keep coming back with. Whether you are local to the area, close by, or you're here on vacation and happen to stumble upon the farm, there's this longing to spend time in this really cherished place. And that's how the idea for the Farm Day Pass came about. The Farm Day Pass was created as a way for people to experience the farm, and it basically lets you live like a guest of the farm for the day. You get to explore the property, spend time at the pool, spend time in these old and ancient mountains. The natural wonders of Mount Pisgah and the French Broad River, which is the third oldest river in the world, help make the farm the wonderful and special place that it is. The farm is very much cocooned in these alive, natural spaces, which imbue the experience with a kind of magic. The Horseshoe Farm is magical only because of the people that work here. It's the people that choose to come and stay here and spend time here. It's the people that intentionally saved this place and instead became something rare. The Day Pass allows anybody to come and spend time at the farm, not just at dinner, not only in a treatment, but as a guest of the farm. And that doesn't just mean access to amenities that we offer, but you're getting to step into a place that has been intentionally crafted and created with peace in mind. Whether you are someone that has been actively seeking for a restful thing to do for a day, or whether you were someone that came upon the Farm Day Pass by accident, I promise you it's no accident. The farm very much calls people in, and it's those people that add to this place. We invite absolutely any and everyone to use a day pass through the spa and live in the moment in a way that maybe you haven't in a long time, in a way that maybe you really needed to and you didn't even know it.